This WordPress invoicing plugin is now free. Accepts mobile money, bank transfers, share payments, and much more. If you run a business on WordPress, this plugin can help you create professional invoices, send payment requests, generate receipts, and collect payments all for free. And the best part, it accepts mobile money, MTN, Momo, Airtel Money, and M-Pesa, bank transfers, crypto payments, share payments, and much more. Many business owners in Uganda and across Africa want to accept online payments, but getting started with some payment providers isn't always simple. Depending on the provider, you may need business documents, identify verification, compliance checks, or approval before you can start receiving payments. For new businesses, that process really takes time. So if you are looking for a simple way to send invoices and get payments from your WordPress website, this plugin is worth looking at. The plugin is called Direct Invoices, and now it is available for free. The plugin allows you to create professional invoices, send payment receipts to clients, generate PDFs automatically, and keep track of payments all in one place, and all from your WordPress dashboard. As you can see, this is one of the invoices I created for demo purposes. With direct payments, your clients can pay you using bank transfers, mobile money services like MTN, Momo, Airtel Money, M-Pesa, crypto, peer-to-peer platform, and much more. It also includes power invoicing tools like professional PDF invoices and receipts, automatic payment reminders, WhatsApp and Telegram invoice sharing, multiple currency support, recurring invoices, WooCommerce integration, payment tracking, and client management. Everything you need to manage invoices in one place. Now, let me show you how easy it is to set it up. You simply come to your WordPress dashboard and look for a plugin. You come to add plugin. Then search for Direct Invoices. Direct Invoices. Direct Invoices. Yeah, Direct Invoices by, I don't know which one. This one. Direct Invoices. You click install. And later activate. On the left side of your dashboard in the WordPress, it will appear here as invoices. Then you need to set it up. You go to settings, provide your business information, mine, mobile virtual assistant, phone number. Okay, preferably this one. 256. My country is Uganda. Currency, probably I want it to be in UGX, my Uganda shillings. You can choose to upload a logo, but this one is under the Pro version. Click continue. Let's go to payment methods. Let me add bank transfer the account. Let me assume my bank is Stanbic. Account number 98556. That's my account number. Account name Mabel Web, and AI add. Let's add mobile money. Add account. Airtel as a provider. Account number 0757112456. No, account name, sorry. Account number is this one. Account name, you just put Mabel. Yes, add. Continue. So let's create the invoice. Let's try creating an invoice. We see how it's going to work. Give your invoice a title: website design for Afgo. Let me say Afgo Roofings. Select customer. Since it's your first time to create an invoice, you have to add a customer. Their full name, email address, business name. Let me see. Afgo Roofings Limited. Their phone number. Use this business name on invoice. Yes. WhatsApp number. You can add their WhatsApp number. Or if they have a Telegram username, you can still add it here. Then you have to save the customer. Date. Today is 28. Yes. And due date, when you want the payment to be, or when you want to notify what's the for the due date is when you want the customer to be notified that the last day for him or her to pay the money. Due date. First, invoice items. You can here you add custom services you designs for the client. If mine was website design, I'll put responsive websites, responsive website. How much is the fee for that design? Let me assume it is 2 million. You can add custom service again. What did I add in this website? AI chatbot. How much did it cost? Am I charging the client? Let me say 200,000. You can keep on adding whatever you need. You think the client has to pay for it, and you put all them in the invoice. Tax. This is under the Pro version. You can add a discount. Do you have a discount for this service? 40, which is 40%. For website design, I think there's no anything like recurring, which is one-time project. And if you have a project that requires recurring, it falls under the pro version. So here you can choose the payment method. Do you want the client to pay you through bank transfer or Airtel money? You can choose both. So the client, so it will be for the client. It will be upon the client to choose what's best suits him to pay the money. So I've added both. You can add a note. Any note, maybe let me say this is an invoice for the services I rendered. As simple as that. So after creating the invoice, you can send via the email. I'll not first save the invoice. Sorry. Save invoice, then sending the email to the client automatically. So automatically after sending, the dashboard will show everything you have put in the invoice. So let's check our email and see whether you have put in any message regarding the invoice sent by the service provider. Let's see here. Yep. This is the email we have received regarding the services. So you see, L Africa Roofing Limited, Mabel Bajas sent an invoice, blah blah, invoice details. He has to pay this amount. Remember, you had put 2 million, but because of the percentage or the discount of 40%, the money was automatically reduced to this amount. Invoice number, date, due date. So his invoice to pay is, the due date is 31st. So you can click pay now. You can pay now. So automatically a pop-up will come for him to copy the bank account or the mobile money account number. So you can choose Stanbic or Airtel. So it will be upon to him to choose which works best for him. After payment, it will say, I've sent the money. And also you can download the invoice and see how it looks like. So this is the download of the invoice. If I was on a pro version, my logo would appear here. But since I'm using a free version, I'm limited to some features. So this is the invoice I downloaded or I sent to my client. So the client has downloaded. You see? Bit of roofing, the name, the location, blah 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 blah. So as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial very helpful, give it a thumb and subscribe for more WordPress website design and AI automation every single week. Okay, let me see. My services are my remote business. State, let me put Kampala. Save changes. Save changes. Then let's proceed to payment methods, and we add everything. Back to the deco.